I'm locked in with Big Run in this bitch.
Yeah, we're just feeling it like this.
Shawty wanna bang, wanna bang.
Move that rebar out the way first, Rich.